Okay, Sounds of Decay 1 is a new album from Black Curse, Burning in Celestial Poison.
Another great band out of Denver, Colorado. The five-piece known as Black Curse, originally Malibus, formed back in 2015 and have been on our radar big time since their crushing 2020 debut, Endless Wound. The follow-up release this past October is six slices of brutal war metal that should be the cat's meow for fans of Archgoat, Black Witchery. You know, the devil's quality music. They've recruited a new bass player in Steve Peacock,
Also known as Ephemeral Dominastica.
who is also one of the masterminds behind another favorite of ours, Spirit Possession. This album consists of five songs, four of which eclipse the 7-minute range. According to their Bandcamp page, besides 45 minutes of brain trampling death metal, we also get four curses they've thoughtfully woven into the lyrics. Now, how much would you pay?
See what we're talking about here? This is a bit of Spleen Girt with Serpent. Hopefully that'll sneak peek got your attention. Drummer Zach Coleman, aka Antinom, comes across as an eight-legged monster of sorts, blasting and rolling in commanding fashion throughout these epic tracks with vast, expansive snare tones. You should be familiar with guitarist vocalist Eli Wendler, as he's also the drummer and vocalist in Spectral Voice. Here, he delivers all vocals in the form of a relentless, horrifying scream, caked in reverb. And in a strange way, his meter and style sort of enhances the power of the percussion in a way that only experts in war metal know how to conjure. The song we're going to play for you is a good example of the band's relentless power. 4 minutes of speedball pounding leads to a painfully doomy tempo change, Wendler delivering the witchy incantation Regasus ad uterum, as laid bare in the invocation of the great curse, so thou might return thyself to the labyrinth of nothing. What he said. This song is Trodden Flesh.